At Bonnaroo, the music may draw the crowds, but for MTSU students, the festival is a classroom unlike any other. For the 10th year, students from the Scott Borchetta College of Media and Entertainment took part in one of the country's largest music festivals, gaining hands-on experience in journalism, live video production, photography, and audio.
So this is our 10th year at Bonnaroo. So it's where our students come to get real-world, hands-on experience, and they never know what's going to happen. This is something that separates MTSU from other colleges and universities, is we bring students where the movers and shakers are, where the action is.
Throughout the weekend, students worked alongside industry professionals, producing content seen by audiences across the country. Using MTSU's mobile production lab, students helped create live broadcasts from festival stages, while journalism students reported stories from the grounds.
We have journalism students who write about the festival all weekend long. We have photography students. Our media arts students are running a live mobile production truck. We'll broadcast shows for Bonnaroo on Hulu, and then our audio production students are mixing the sound. So it's a truly collaborative college effort.
For many students, Bonnaroo offered a first look at the fast-paced reality of working in the entertainment industry.
It's honestly a dream. I've always wanted to go to a music festival. This is my first music festival, and I'm really passionate about journalism, and I feel like this is a great way to not only get that class credit, but also have a lot of experience in the real world.
The festival environment challenges students to adapt quickly, solve problems in real time, and gain experience that goes far beyond the classroom. Whether covering the festival experience, operating cameras, or directing live productions, students spent the weekend putting their skills to the test.
It's awesome. We get to work with a whole bunch of cool artists. We'll be able to direct shows for people that are actual big artists, and that's always fun. It's great for my resume, and it's just fun to be around here.
A decade after the partnership began, Bonnaroo continues to serve as a launching pad for the next generation of media professionals.
Well, it's one thing to learn about the entertainment industry or the media industry in the classroom, but it's another thing to put those skills into action, and that's what they're doing this weekend.
Whether behind a camera, in a production truck, or reporting from the festival grounds, MTSU students once again brought classroom lessons to life at Bonnaroo. For MTSU, I'm Carly Sutton.